Medications for sleep disorders have 3 different effects. One that you do not develop tolerance to, meaning no matter how many times you get the sleep pills, you still have it, is what we call an excitement phase. So when you just take that little drink, you get excited. That's inhibitors, so you feel excited. And you never develop tolerance to that at a low dose. At a little higher dose, you get respiratory depression and, in fact, a little depression of memory. That respiratory depression and memory, if you go to a high enough dose, that can kill you. And you never develop a tolerance to that. The third thing is it induces sleep by putting your GABA aminobutyric acid, there's a test after this, by putting your GABA system, if you will, activating it to activate your sleep. And you do develop tolerance to that. So the more times you use a sleep medicine, the less effective it is. And that's also why we say do everything else possible for your sleep. Get hygiene right. Only use the bedroom for sleep and sex. Don't have extraneous lights on. Get the temperature right. Plan for it. Get rid of all the things you've got to do the next day. That's why we say do all of those things before you then go to sleep medicines. And then if you've got to go to sleep medicines, we really think you should go to a specialist because they're different medicines for different forms of sleep disorders.